हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका स्टडी हब ऑनलाइन पर। यहाँ हम रोज लेकर आते हैं हिंदू के डेली वोकैब्युलरी वर्ड्स जो आपके कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए मस्ट नो होते हैं। तो चलिए बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए शुरू करते हैं आज का सेशन। सो मोटू, स्वप्रेरणा से स्वयं संज्ञान लेना। मीनिंग, टू बी अफेक्टेड विथ टू मच इमोशन, स्ट्रेस और वर्क। Synonyms: self-initiated, voluntary, self-propelled. Antonyms: on complaint, on request, on application. Example: the Supreme Court took suo motu action in the case of environmental pollution. Transgression, ullanghan, atikraman. Meaning: a purposeful or industrious undertaking, especially one that requires effort or determination. Synonyms: violation, infringement, breach. Antonyms: compliance, obedience, adherence. Example: his behavior was a clear transgression of the company's rules. Contingent, nirbhar, akismak. Meaning: dependent on certain conditions or circumstances. Synonyms: conditional, dependent, subject to. Antonyms: unconditional, independent. Example: the success of the project is contingent upon timely funding. Casus belli, युद्ध का कारण, संघर्ष का बहाना. Meaning: an act or situation provoking or justifying war. Synonyms: cause of war, justification, provocation. Antonyms: peace treaty, resolution, reconciliation. Example: the border attack became a casus belli for the war between the two nations. Demarcate, सीमा निर्धारित करना, विभाजन करना. Meaning: to set boundaries or limits. Synonyms: delimit, delineate, mark. Antonyms: merge, unify, blend. Example: the new map was drawn to demarcate the boundaries of the districts. Viability, vyavharyata, tikaupan. Meaning: the ability to work successfully or be feasible. Synonyms: feasibility, practicality, workability. Antonyms: impracticality, infeasibility, unlikelihood. Example: the committee is studying the economic viability of the project. Intricate, jatil, pechida. Meaning: very complicated or detailed. Synonyms: complex, elaborate, sophisticated. Antonyms: simple, straightforward, plain. Example: the watchmaker repaired the intricate mechanism of the old clock. Contention, vivad, tark. Meaning: a heated disagreement or an assertion in an argument. Synonyms: dispute, argument, assertion. Antonyms: agreement, consensus, harmony. Example: his main contention was that the law should be changed for fairness. Ambiguous, aspasht. Meaning: open to more than one interpretation, not clearly defined. Synonyms: unclear, vague, equivoca. Antonyms: clear, explicit, definite. Example: the contract was written in ambiguous terms, leading to confusion. Pivot, kendra bindu, aadhar. Meaning: a significant change in strategy or direction. Synonyms: shift, turn, adjustment. Antonyms: continuation, constancy, steadiness. Example: education is the pivot of national development. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe and share.